Hello everyone, welcome back again in my English class. Dear children, in my today's class we are going to have some fun. So I am going to ask you few questions. Children, I know that all of you know the answers of those questions, but I will not ask the questions directly. I will give you some clues. With those clues, you have to find out the answer. So now let us start. Your clue number 1 is I am small and brown. I eat nuts. I can climb trees. I have a nice tail. Now tell me, who am I? Very good. You are right. It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Next, clue number 2. I have 4 legs. I live in Africa. I am big and grey. I live in the river. Now tell me, who am I? Children, tell me. Yes, again you are right. It's a hippo. It's a hippo, or we can say it as hippopotamus. It's a hippopotamus. Now children, let's go for the next clue. Clue number 3. I eat insects. I live in the pond. I can hop. I am green. Now tell me, who am I? Children, what is the name? Yes, you are right. It's a frog. It's a frog. Next, number 4. Clue number 4. I am very big. I am grey. I have 2 big ears. I have a long nose. Now tell me, who am I? Yes, children, tell me. Very good. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Now let's go for the next clue. Clue number 5. I am long. I don't have legs. I can crawl. I can hiss. Hiss. Now tell me, who am I? Now children, who is it? Yes, you are right. It's a snake. It's a snake. Now let's see clue number 6. I am yellow and brown. I am yellow and brown. I have long neck. I eat leaves. Now tell me, who am I? Children, who is it? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is a giraffe. It is a giraffe. Next, number 7. Clue number 7. I am white. I eat carrots. I can jump and run. I have long ears. Now tell me, who am I? Children, who is it? Yes, you are right. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Next, number 8. Clue number 8. I have a long body. My teeth are sharp. I can swim. Tell me, who am I? Yes, tell me, children. Very good. It's a crocodile. It is a crocodile. Dear children, I hope all of you like the animal riddles, right? So today we have learned the names of animals. Now children, let us recall the names one more time. First is squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Next is H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Or we can say it as H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. P-O-P T-A-T Ma-A-S-A-Mas. Hippopotamus. Next, number 3 is F-R-O-G. Frog. Number 4 is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 5 is S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Number 6 is G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Number 7 is R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. And number 8 is C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. So these are few names which we have learned today. Dear children, I hope all of you know many more names of animals, right? Because there are many more names of animals. So what you can do? You will take out your copy, you will write CW and you will write today's date and the heading. Then you will write these names, means these names of animals in your copy. If you want or you know some more names, you can write those also in your copy. Okay, so this much is all for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.